Hello everyone, this is Jeffrey Lieutenant. I'm a creator of PAK WONE E ChatGPT system. It literally looks for the perfect trade. You don't have to take a guess anymore. Not only that, when you get in, and most of you that's out there, you lose your trades only because you're just going by your thinking process. You're using your emotion. It should be non-biased of emotion whatsoever. So this is how it works. Number one, insert the PAK WONE code into the prompt of the ChatGPT. Number two, go to the tradingview.com and copy the heat map that's on there. It gives you the percentages of the strength of each currencies. And some of you don't know how to read the heat map, and our system does. And also it has a built-in indices, built-in technology that I can't really reveal at this moment. It is a trade secret. Now, number three, show me the top two, three, or four, or whatever many currencies you want to trade. I prefer just two, and at the end, it will give the answer what to trade, what not to trade. It will give you avoidance as well. So this is a incredible technology. So you got three steps. That's all you have to do. You don't even have to think about it. This is the code that I had already sent to you. And what you do is you go ahead and copy it, copy the code. I'm going to go all the way down, copy that code. Then what you do is simply go to your ChatGPT and just insert it. That's it. Then enter. Then it goes through the process. Here we go. It tells you what it's about to do. It's setting up the data set preparation. It's asking you to get the data, most current data, and I'll tell you where to go get that. This is continuing. Look at that. It's going through the process. And at the end, it will tell you what kind of an output that you'll be seeing. It's a table format. Okay, now it's that. Now what we do is we want to go to tradingview.com. Here we go. You want to go ahead and take this data, copy it, then you go back to your ChatGPT, paste it. I'm using a Mac, so I typed in Command V as a paste, and Command A is copy all, then Command C is copy. So as I did that, enter. There we go. It's giving you responses. There we go. There's a Python code it's creating within it all by itself. It just depends how fast of a computer you got. Mine is just bogging down right now. It's been a long day. All right. It's taking all that data, it's putting it into the equation and turning it into real-time decision making here. All right, we're just about done. All you have to do is just do it once, and ChatGPT. Matter of fact, my code works in all AI platforms. We have ChatGPT, we have Gemini, we have Claude. Also, it works on Perplexity. It also works on the notebook LM as well. There we go. Then after that, just type in show me top currencies to trade. Enter. And you have to tell it. Of course, it's going to give you all these numbers as well, but at the same time, you have to tell it how you want to see it. Show it, in table text of PAK WONE strategy. Boom. It is right there. Here's the currencies, and here's the reasoning. Front end and the back end. Front G means it's going up, it has strength. Back end is R, means it's weak. So it's a GR, great, going up. And there's a reversal right here. RG means reversing, going down, short. And this particular one here, Euro Swiss, is telling you to do not trade. It has two same letters on there. You do not want to trade when both currencies are fluctuating. In other words, it's consolidating. So you really don't know what it has any momentum or not. Then also you can type in show in chart column in charts. Anyway, that's it, folks. We have given you all the tools that you need. It's very simple. All you got to do is, like I said, here's the code that we've inserted. And at the front, you follow 1, 2, 3 steps, then you're good to go. All right. Thanks for taking the time to listen to me and wish you great success. Let's make some money here. Thank you, and I will see you in the inside. Take care.